Welcome to part 2 of the 2 videos covering the topic website structure of web pages. 6. Another website structure for the web page is a sidebar, right? Now, this site doesn't have a sidebar. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to create one for you. So I'm going to come out of the preview section, right? I'm going to use um, this one to create the sidebar, right? So I'm going to put it below. So to move it, what I'll do, I'll hover over until I see the plus, and I'm going to put it below the hero right here, right? Okay. So the sidebar is a vertical column on the right of the website that contains links to other content on the web page or other web pages on the website, call to actions button, or a search box, right? Now, the information that would be in the sidebar would be secondary information to the primary information. So the primary information would be this information that would be here, that would be telling the visitors to the site what the restaurant is about. So I'm going to use this as my sidebar, right? So what I'm going to do, I'm going to make it large, I'm going to expand it, and then I expand it. All right, so here now, I'm going to put an image in my sidebar. So I'm going to click on the plus, click upload, and I'm going to choose an image to go in there, right? This chart, all right? Okay, now now I'm going to click here, and I'm going to put a call to action button here, right? So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go in the insert sidebar here over this section, a click button, right? And here now I can name this button contact us. And here now when I click on the link section, I can click this name of this web page, contact us, and click insert, right? So I need to move the button. I'm gonna hover over until I see the plus, and I'm gonna move it and put it right here. Right, there it is, contact us. And here I'm gonna put a label here now. Click this button to access the contact us web page. All right. Now, if I want to change the color of the text, I can highlight the text and then click this A, and I'm going to put it in red. If I want to make the font size bigger, I can click this down arrow and I can scroll down and I can click the size text that I want. Well, it's too big. I have to go back. I'm going to choose 30. Good. It's a better size font. I can change the font if I want. So I'm going to select here. I'm going to change the font type. So I'm going to change it to this type. And there it is. All right. If I want to bold the text, I can select the text and click bold. I can underline it if I want. I can make it italics, right? And if I want to copy it, I press this copy button, right? And there it is, right? So I copied it, and here looking like a sidebar now, right? So I can change what is in here now and say, this is a sidebar. All right. So let us view our page there. And there we have something looking like a sidebar, okay? And here we have this section. Remember, we made this section as our sidebar, right? Which is a narrow vertical column on the right hand side of the web page, right? And here we have our call to actions button, and it says contact us. So when we click on it, see we are redirected to the contact us web page, right? There it is. So if I click home, I'll come back to the home page. I'm going to close the preview to go back to the construction area. All right. So the seventh item on the list for the website structure of a web page is the footer. Here's the footer down here. So the footer is the same thing as the header. It appears on every web page on the website, right? So it can contain information such as the privacy policy for the company. It can include the address, the phone number, the sitemap, the social media icons, and also the contact us if the person chooses to put the contact us um, information in the footer. All right, so those are the seven components for the website structure of a web page, right? The first one is a header, which is this top section here. When I scroll down, see it remains at the top, that this bar here that says restaurant, right? Then the next component is a navigation bar or the menu bar, which is this area right here. When I scroll up there, it is in black, right? That says home, photos, contact us, chef, and menu, and the search icon there. Then the next component is features. Feature or hero images is this image here. Then you have the slider. I place the slider on the photos page. Here's the slider. So if I click from left to right, I would see the pictures that I've uploaded. Then we have the website content. So the website content means all elements that are used to communicate the message to the visitor. So here we have a photograph or a picture. We have words, right? We have different elements there. Then the fifth item is as I said, is the website content. The sixth item is a sidebar. Here's a sidebar right here, right? Let us go back to the construction mode. Right. Let me go back to the preview mode, right? Then you have the footer. The footer is at here down the bottom of the web page, and it is on each web page, right? So here I go to the bottom of the contact us. All right, so we have the footer is at the bottom of the web page, and those are the seven elements for the website structure for the web pages. We have come to the end of part 2 of 2 videos covering the topic website structure of web pages.
Thanks for watching the video, and don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, like, comment, and share.